Hello, everyone. Usually, I create Google Sheets templates, but this time I've worked on something a little different. I've built an app that lets you create and deploy web apps directly into your Google Sheets. With this app, you can easily build forms with different parameters and connect them to your Google Sheets projects. You can also create workflows where you add users, assign tasks linked to specific forms, and let users fill them out. Once submitted, the data is automatically updated in Google Sheets. Okay, let me go ahead and register my account first, and then we'll get started with the process. I'll put the link in the description below, so if you want, you can register and try it out yourself. Right now, it's in beta testing, but I'll be updating the app regularly and adding more features in the future. Currently, there are available 5 workflows and 5 forms for user, but it will be increased soon. After you register and log in, you have your dashboard, which include workflow section and form section. First, let me start with the forms. Clicking at the Create Form button, it will open the Form Editor page where you can design your form. On the left side of the Form Builder, you'll see the Field Type section and the Action Type section. Some of the action types aren't working yet, but I'm constantly updating them. I'll also include videos for each action type to show you how they work and how you can use them. The main section is where you can see the form you're designing. On the right side, you'll find the Properties panel, where you can change a field name, make it required, hide or unhide it, and more. Let me create one form. Firstly, I will add title and the description. Clicking at the field types, it will automatically appear in the main area. Then clicking in the main area field type, it will open the editable field properties. In the field properties, you can change the name, placeholder, and check if the field is mandatory or not. I will add some other field types. In case that you want to change the place of the field, you can use small arrow icons up and down. After you finish building the form, you can open the Preview tab to check if everything looks the way you want. If everything is okay, you can save the form by clicking in the button. Next, in the Generate Code tab, you can find the script and form that you can use for your project. Let me explain how. First, in your Google Drive folder, create a new Google Sheets and open it. Next, go to Extensions, then App Script. Code.js is already by default, so create a form.html file, then copy-paste the generated code. Next, save the added code. Then click in the Code.js and click the Run button to request a script authorization. Next, click the button to deploy, and click at the settings icon, then select Web App. You can copy the link and paste in the browser. It will open the design form. The form to function, you need to include anything in the Google Sheets cell A1. Usually in the column A is the automatic ID, which is by default. I will add complete header for this example. Now you have fully functional, deployed form with the Google Sheets. First and last columns will appear by default, which will automatically add the unique ID and timestamp. In the dashboard, you'll see the form you just created. If you notice a red icon, it means you need to update the deployed link and the connected Google Sheets link for your records. In the edit icon, you can update the form in case that you need to add additional fields. To link the form with a workflow, you'll need to update the deployed web app and the connected Google Sheet. This will also generate an embed code in case you want to use the form as a contact form on your website. Now you can use the form in a workflow, which I'll explain in the next video. This is especially useful if you have multiple forms, so you don't get confused between them.